Hi guys, and welcome to another video from Technik. Today we're showing you how to remove the centre speaker. That's the speaker that sits underneath this grille. This is up for the Audi A4, S4 and RS4, B6 and B7, and this is the grille that sits in the top dead centre of your dashboard. And underneath there there's actually a speaker, which is why you have that kind of speaker mesh there. Installed just under there. So if you're doing something like a Bose speaker upgrade or something like that, this is an essential part. This is one of the speakers that a lot of people often miss. Now, to gain access to the speaker, obviously we do need to remove this this centre panel out of the way. First stage of doing so is you've got a little light sensor that sits in the centre just here. And that has to be removed. I've already filmed a video on it actually, so we'll add a link for you below this video so you can scroll down and just go and check that out if you need some help getting that out. So once you've got your kind of dash grille out of the way, you can see the little speaker hidden away right at the back there, tucked away in this little kind of tablet shaped cutout. So that's what we need to focus on. So from this shot here, you can actually see you've got these two Torx screws that hold it in. And thankfully they're kind of sitting at a 45-degree angle, so they're perfect angle to get the Torx screwdriver in there. So get that screw removed, and obviously the one on the opposite side, get both of those out, and then we can wrestle this free. So the next thing what we're going to do is just get our fingers in there and try to lift him up. These can be in there quite tight sometimes. If you lift him up and slowly draw him forward, there he comes. There he is. See from the label we have the genuine Bose one on this particular car. I've got two electrical connectors, and for Audi standards these connectors are quite rudimentary really. It's quite a poor solution. I can't really get it to an angle. Well, there we go. Just struggling to show it to you there, but all it is kind of male and female spade connectors. And you'll notice one's wider than the other. When you pull this off, one of the male parts is wider than the other as well, so you can't put them back on the wrong way, if that makes any sense. So if we just give those a bit of a wiggle, there's quite an ugly rudimentary solution. It's the only place on these cars you'll find something like this. All the rest of it's done with nice little plastic plugs, all neat and tidy. This is done proper old school. So there we have it. That's your centre speaker completely removed.